What's going on YouTube? NathanLR right here. Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 17 on 812 Plus devices, so the newer devices with the NathanLR 2.0, which was released a couple of weeks ago, but I didn't have time to cover it at that moment. So this is open source, it's a completely open source jailbreak. I talked about it in the previous video, and you can get it right away by going here to iDevicecentral.com and you click jailbreak tools over here. And after you go to jailbreak tools, you scroll all the way down and it should be available in here in this list. This contains the latest status for all iOS versions and newer devices and so on. So here on iOS 17.0 it says it's jailbreakable with the new NathanLR 2.0 semi-jailbreak over here. You click download over here and it will give you the NathanLR TIPA file from the official website, which is nathan4s.lol. That's the official website. So this needs to be installed with TrollStore, only with TrollStore. You cannot install this with AltStore or Sideloadly because it requires the extra permissions from TrollStore. Now here's a guide on how to install TrollStore on iOS 17 if you don't know how to do that using TrollRestore. It's available in the description down below from my website, and you have all the steps you need over here for both Windows and macOS and Linux. So check it out down below. But once we have the file, let me show you how to install it. So this is the TIPA file and I have already airdropped it over to my device over here. So for those of you who don't know how to do this, you just go ahead here on your computer. If you're running on a Mac, if you have a Mac, you click share and you go with airdrop and you should be able to find your device. On the device you go here, you hold and then you enable airdrop for everyone for 10 minutes and you should be able to select your device from here and get something like this. You click accept and you get the IPA file sent over to your device. And you're gonna get two options over here. If you have TrollStore installed, which you should have, it's a prerequisite for NathanLR to work, you should have the option to open it with TrollStore. Otherwise, you can save it in files. So I'm going to open it in TrollStore like this, and it will tell you the information about the NathanLR jailbreak. So you just press install over here. It will install, and now you can open it like this, and this is it. NathanLR and supported versions are 16.5.1 through 16.7 RC and 17.0. And here you have jailbreak. We press bootstrap over here, and it will begin bootstrapping with root hide. Now, as you can see, it asks for a password. Now, this is going to be the sudo password when you try to run commands with privileges. So I'm going to set Alpine, ALPINE, the default password on most jailbreaks. I'm going to press set over here. It's only going to tell you that once. And now, as you can see, the button has turned into jailbreak. And that's because you are already bootstrapped. The important jailbreak files have already been installed on your device. Now you just have to jailbreak using them. Then we press jailbreak over here. My device has resprung, which only took a couple of seconds, and as you can see now it says jailbroken over there. So the device is jailbroken and Sileo is now available over here. We can open it and I'm gonna say deny over here, and that's it. You can see Sileo working quite fine. So now we can obviously install whatever we prefer. This device is running 16.6, but this works on 17.0 as well. Now we have a couple of updates in here, so it's best if you do them, if you have them before you install anything. So I'm gonna click upgrade over there and confirm, and it's going to install the tweaks over here, and yep, no errors. That's it. Now it's ready, and you have in here all the tweaks that have been updated recently. You have the sources over here. So now you're jailbroken with NathanLR. As you can see from here, it's as easy as that. And since this jailbreak is using TrollStore to be installed, it never expires. You don't have to redo the application every 7 days. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you jailbreak with NathanLR and TrollStore. Thank you for watching. This video is brought to you by NathanLR, a software that allows you to easily unlock your device if it's stuck in the activation screen, if you got scammed on eBay or Craigslist or Kijiji and so on, and the seller is refusing to help you. So this is a way to try to get access back to the device you bought if you got scammed. It's unfortunately quite a common scam. So this contains quite a lot of important tools. Definitely check it out in the link below. A version for Windows and macOS is available. Thank you for watching. I'm GeoSnow. Peace out.